dropping. Driver's coming down. Slow, keep that line.
Yep, keep that line, Chris. Yep. Getting this on film?
Yep.
Slow, 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 slow. Driver, both sides drivers coming down while passengers climbing.
Okay, go a little driver. Slow, your passenger's coming down.
Slow.
You're down.
A little more passenger as soon as you can.
Yep.
Like that. Right
Just
there.
like that.
Slow, slow, slow. Alright, driver's gonna start dropping.
Okay, your passenger's about to climb. Passenger's at the almost.
Driver's coming down. Driver rear's coming down.
Yeah, grab it. Yeah, okay. Whoa! Okay, he's coming right there. Yep. You want driver on top of this guy right here?
You can't see it.
Okay. Driver. Stay just like that, Chris. Okay, your passenger's about to come down, your driver's about to go up. Slow.
Driver's coming down, driver's coming down. Down. So, like, keep that line though, keep that line. Keep that line. Don't move the steering wheel. Alright, your driver's
Passenger's coming down, your driver's about to come down, your rear passenger's at the peak. Yep.
Slow.
Down.
Coming down back here.
Yeah, you're right through that valley right there, yep.
Yeah, buddy.
Straight now. Yep. Okay, passenger now. 4. Yeah, out. Driver. Walk here. A little bit further, maybe another 1.5 feet.
Alright, come on.
Yeah, you can come a little more passenger.
Straight now a little bit.
Straight, yeah. Okay, you're gonna climb right here and back there.
Go towards you.
Now you're coming hard passenger.
No, hard passenger all the way.
Yeah.
All the way till Mike tells you to go straight.
A little bit further.
Passenger.
Okay, straight. Yeah, just like that. Come down. Yep. Okay, just like that. Hold that line. Okay, a little more passenger. Yeah. Okay. You're gonna climb there. You're about to do a big climb, passenger front. Oh, okay, driver. Yeah.
The rocks are sliding.
Drive. Yeah.
Driver a little bit.
No, stay like that. Stay like that. Stay straight.
Keep that line, come on.
Yeah. Driver up here. Okay, passenger.
What?
Two-way passenger. Okay, straight. Straight now. Or stay straight. Okay. Passenger. Yeah, hard. Yep. Nice.
Yeah.
Do you feel like you're in the clear at this point, or is it still?
Oh, we're still got some shit to come. Yeah, I think most of what's coming up is just there's a lot of ledges and stuff, so it's either you can make it or we're stacking rocks.
Straight.
Oh,
I think this was some of the gnarliest shit we're gonna do today, from a straight technical perspective.
is that what we knew?
Yeah, I think so. The Devil's Racetrack, it's pretty sketchy, A lot of it's mental
Whoa,
because you're kind of
whoa,
up against
whoa.
this cliff edge.
Oh shit, a lot more opportunity. Of course.
We'll see though. I've been wrong.
One more passenger. Yep, yep.
Driver rear is going to start coming down. Go slow. Go slow. Go slow. Go slow.
Okay, you got one big drop left. Okay, you're out of here.
John.